Welcome back to the channel. It's great to have you here again. Today I want to take a deep dive into a platform that a lot of marketers, entrepreneurs, and creators have been talking about recently. It's called ProductDyno, and if you've been searching for a reliable, all-in-one solution to deliver and protect your digital products, memberships, or online courses, then this review is going to be extremely valuable for you. I'll be breaking down what this platform actually does, how it works behind the scenes, the kind of problems it solves, and whether it's truly worth your time and money. And as always, I'll share both the strengths and the things you'll want to consider before diving in, so that by the end of this review, you'll have a clear picture of whether ProductDyno is the right tool for your business. Now, let's start with the most important thing. What exactly is ProductDyno? At its core, it's a platform that allows you to securely deliver digital products, courses, and memberships. Think about all the moving parts that go into selling a digital product. You need a delivery system. You need a secure way to protect your content. You need to connect with payment gateways. And ideally, you want an easy way to manage members or customers. ProductDyno was built to take care of all of this in one streamlined system, so you don't have to juggle multiple tools or worry about security loopholes. For creators and marketers who have struggled with cobbling together different plugins, scripts, and apps, this solution can feel like a breath of fresh air. One of the standout features is the flexibility in how you deliver your content. You can use ProductDyno to deliver a single digital download, like an ebook or a software program. But you can also set up to run full membership sites or structured online courses with modules and lessons. This adaptability means you're not locked into one specific format, and as your business grows, the platform grows with you. Many tools out there either focus only on membership sites or only on digital downloads, but ProductDyno has managed to cover both scenarios with a user-friendly interface. Another thing that really deserves attention is the security side. If you've ever sold a digital product, you know the nightmare of people sharing download links or leaking content to forums. ProductDyno takes this very seriously and has built-in protection systems that prevent unauthorized access. For example, it lets you lock down your content behind secure logins, track and manage user access, and even use domain restrictions and IP monitoring if you want a higher level of control. This means you can feel confident that the content you work so hard to create is not being stolen or passed around illegally. For many creators, that peace of mind alone is worth the investment. Now, let's talk about integrations, because no matter how powerful a platform is, it needs to play nicely with other tools you're already using. ProductDyno integrates seamlessly with major payment gateways like PayPal and Stripe, which makes it very easy to collect payments from your customers. Beyond that, it also connects with many email marketing platforms, so you can automatically add buyers to your email list, follow up with them, and build long-term relationships. This is huge because it means you don't have to manually export and import customer data. Everything happens smoothly in the background. For affiliate marketers or anyone using third-party sales platforms, ProductDyno also integrates with marketplaces like Warrior Plus, JVZoo, and ClickBank, so you can sell through those networks while still delivering your product through a secure, professional system. A lot of people also want to know, how easy is it to actually set up? Nobody wants to spend days wrestling with complicated software. The good news is that ProductDyno was designed with simplicity in mind. Setting up a new product takes just a few guided steps. You choose what type of product you're delivering, connect your payment processor, upload or link your content, and customize the delivery pages. The interface is clean and intuitive, so even if you're not super technical, you'll be able to set things up without frustration. I've seen people with zero tech background successfully launch their first product within hours, which says a lot about how beginner-friendly it is. That said, simplicity doesn't mean lack of power. Behind the scenes, there are lots of advanced options if you want to get more sophisticated. For example, you can drip content over time, which is perfect for courses where you want to release lessons weekly instead of giving everything at once. You can also bundle multiple products together, create upsells and cross-sells, and manage different levels of memberships. This makes it suitable not just for small creators starting out, but also for more advanced marketers who want to implement complex funnels and customer journeys. Speaking of funnels, one of the underrated aspects of ProductDyno is how it helps improve the customer experience. Your buyers don't just receive a messy zip file or a plain email with a link. Instead, they get access to a clean, branded portal where all their products are organized in one place. This adds a lot of perceived value and professionalism, which in turn helps boost trust and reduces refund requests. When customers feel like they're getting premium treatment, they're more likely to stick around, consume the content, and even buy from you again. That customer satisfaction loop is something many marketers underestimate, but ProductDyno makes it easy to deliver that high-quality experience. Another key advantage is scalability. Let's say you start with a single product like a training course. Later, you want to launch a membership community, add multiple courses, or sell software licenses. With ProductDyno, you don't need to migrate to a new system. You can simply add more products within the same platform. This saves you the headache of switching tools down the line, which is something I've seen too many entrepreneurs struggle with. It's essentially future-proofing your business, because you can keep expanding without hitting roadblocks. Now, is ProductDyno perfect? Not quite. No platform is. While the interface is user-friendly, some advanced customization options may require a bit of a learning curve. If you're someone who wants absolute freedom in design, you may feel a bit limited compared to using a full custom website builder. However, for most users, the balance between ease of use and available features is more than enough. Another consideration is pricing. While affordable compared to higher-end developers or piecing together multiple plugins, you still need to view it as an investment. The key is to weigh it against the time and money you save by having everything in one place. For most entrepreneurs, that trade-off ends up being very favorable. When it comes to customer support, ProductDyno has a solid reputation. They provide training resources, tutorials, and responsive support channels to help you get unstuck quickly. This matters because when you're in the middle of a product launch, the last thing you want is to hit a wall and not get help. Having reliable support can make the difference between a smooth launch and a stressful one. So who is ProductDyno really for? If you're an online course creator, a digital product seller, a membership site owner, or even a software developer looking to securely license your applications, this platform has something to offer. It's especially valuable if you're tired of duct taping multiple systems together and want a more professional, reliable solution that just works. On the other hand, if you're only ever planning to sell one tiny digital download and never expand, you might feel that the platform offers more than you need. But for most people who are serious about building an online business, the features and flexibility make a lot of sense. One thing I always like to emphasize in these reviews is the importance of thinking long-term. A lot of people get caught up in the excitement of launching their first product, but they don't plan for what happens after that. ProductDyno is one of those platforms that supports you not just for the initial launch, but for the growth stages that come later. It helps you build a real foundation, not just a quick workaround. That's something worth considering as you decide whether this tool fits into your business strategy. To sum it all up, ProductDyno is a comprehensive solution for delivering, protecting, and managing digital products and memberships. It combines simplicity for beginners with advanced features for experienced marketers, offers strong security to protect your content, integrates seamlessly with popular tools, and provides a polished experience for your customers. While no platform is without its downsides, the overall package here is very strong, and it's easy to see why so many creators are choosing it as their go-to system. If you've been struggling with content delivery, worry about piracy, or feeling overwhelmed by managing too many different tools, ProductDyno could be the answer that simplifies everything for you. It's not just about making life easier for yourself. It's also about creating a smoother, more professional experience for your customers, which ultimately leads to better results for your business. And that wraps up this review of ProductDyno. I hope this gave you a clear and honest look at what the platform does and how it could fit into your online business journey. If you're interested in checking it out for yourself, you'll find the link right below in the description box. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss upcoming reviews. This is a Review Scout, bringing you unbiased insights and trusted recommendations. Until next time, take care, and I'll see you in the next video.